Hello and welcome to another episode of Current Affairs. Question 1. Which city ranked 5th for women's safety in India according to the NARI 2025 report? A. Vishakhapatnam, B. Bhubaneswar, C. Gangtok, D. Aizwal. The correct answer is C. Gangtok. Gangtok secured the 5th position in the NARI 2025 report with a safety score of 70.4% above the national benchmark of 65%. Question 2. How much has India's pulses production increased from 2015-16 to 2022-23 according to the NITI Aayog report? A. 10%, B. 20%, C. 38%, D. 59.4%. The correct answer is D. 59.4%. The report mentioned that pulses production increased by 59.4% from 16.35 million tons in 2015-16 to 26.06 million tons in 2022-23. Question 3. In which year is Assam expected to temporarily receive the Vrindavani Vastra from British Museum? A. 2025, B. 2026, C. 2027, D. 2028. The correct answer is C. 2027. The British Museum has agreed to lend the Vrindavani Vastra to Assam for an exhibition in 2027. Question 4. Which commercial product is made from the felled biomass of Senna spectabilis? A. Paper pulp, B. Fuel, C. Construction materials, D. Fertilizer. The correct answer is A. Paper pulp. Paper pulp is made from the felled biomass of Senna spectabilis. Question 5. What is vibe hacking? A. A form of cyber attack using traditional malware. B. The use of AI tools to create malicious software. C. A method of hacking phone systems. D. A legal method of testing AI tools. The correct answer is B. The use of AI tools to create malicious software. Vibe hacking refers to the abuse of generative AI tools like Claude Code and ChatGPT to assist in cybercrime by creating malicious software. Question 6. What is the tenure of the newly signed suspension of operations agreement in Manipur? A. 3 years, B. 1 year, C. 2 years, D. 6 months. The correct answer is B. 1 year. The SOO agreement is effective for 1 year with a review process during its tenure. Question 7. Which state reported the lowest TFR in 2023? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Delhi, D. West Bengal. The correct answer is C. Delhi. Delhi reported the lowest TFR in 2023 as per the SRS 2023. Question 8. Which two countries signed a comprehensive strategic partnership to deepen bilateral cooperation in various sectors? A. India and Singapore, B. India and the United States, C. China and Singapore, D. India and Japan. The correct answer is A. India and Singapore. The Prime Ministers of India and Singapore agreed to deepen cooperation in 8 key areas, marking a step towards a comprehensive strategic partnership. Question 9. Which university retained its second position in the NIRF Rankings 2025? A. Jamia Millia Islamia, B. Jawaharlal Nehru University, C. Delhi University, D. IIT Delhi. The correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru University. JNU retained its second position in the rankings for 2025. Question 10. In which year was the Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyay Maha Abhiyan or PM Jan Man scheme introduced? A. 2006, B. 2014, C. 2020, D. 2025. The correct answer is C. 2020. PM Jan Man was introduced as a targeted scheme for the welfare of tribal communities in 2020. Now let us practice a question. Which act was replaced by the Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025? A. The Passport Entry into India Act 1920, B. The Registration of Foreigners Act 1939, C. The Immigration Carriers Liability Act 2000, D. All of the above. The Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025 replaced the Passport Entry into India Act 1920 The Registration of Foreigners Act 1939, the Foreigners Act 1946, and the Immigration Carriers Liability Act 2000. Please provide your answers in the comments section.